In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on ad block on DuckDuckGo. If you're looking for a simple way to enjoy a cleaner, more private browsing experience, then you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable DuckDuckGo's built-in protections that help reduce tracking-based advertisements and limit the amount of data companies can collect about your online activity. The best part is that everything can be done directly within the browser, so there's no need for any additional extensions or extra software. To begin, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your device. This privacy-focused browser includes several built-in tools designed to help protect your information while you're browsing the web. Once the browser has fully loaded, look toward the upper right corner of the window and locate the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to open the browser's main menu. This menu provides access to a variety of browser features and privacy settings. From the available options, select Settings to continue. Once you're inside the Settings section, find and open Web Tracking Protection. This area serves as the central hub for managing privacy protections within the browser. The settings found here are designed to help prevent third-party trackers from following your activity across different websites. When these protections are enabled, many tracking technologies are blocked before they have a chance to load. In addition to improving privacy, this can sometimes help websites load more efficiently by reducing the number of background scripts running on a page. Next, locate the option called Global Privacy Control and turn it on. Enabling this feature allows the browser to send a privacy preference signal to websites, requesting that your personal data not be sold or shared for cross-site tracking purposes. When combined with DuckDuckGo's tracker blocking technology, this creates a much stronger layer of protection against many forms of targeted advertising. It's important to understand that this won't eliminate every advertisement you encounter online. Some websites display non-targeted ads that don't rely on tracking technologies and may still appear. However, enabling these protections can significantly reduce personalized ads and many of the tracking systems that support them. As you continue browsing, you may occasionally come across a website that behaves differently after these protections are activated. In many cases, simply refreshing the page resolves the issue. If needed, you can always return to the settings area later to adjust your privacy preferences. Also keep in mind that while global privacy control is becoming more widely supported, not every website currently recognizes the signal. Even so, many sites do, and adoption continues to grow. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled DuckDuckGo's strongest built-in privacy and ad blocking protections, helping create a faster, cleaner, and more private browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.